Recovery position. Put on protection gear if they are immediately available. Check if the patient is responsive. If the patient is not responsive and not breathing normally, start CPR immediately. Call for help 112. If the patient is unresponsive but is breathing normally, check for bleeding, shock, or spinal injury. If those are not found, place the patient in the recovery position. Kneel at the patient's side. Bend the patient's arm closest to you at a right angle, elbow bend and palm upwards. Bring the far arm across the body and place the hand on the patient's cheek near you. Grab the far leg and pull it up. Gently put the patient towards you and put them on their side. Once on the side, make sure the lower hand is resting comfortably. Check that the airways are open by pulling back the patient's head. Keep monitoring the patient. If the patient is in the recovery position for more than 30 minutes, change the side.